As the greatest leader and giver in history ever said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Our dream was to impact the city of Pretoria. Within 4 weeks, 41 schools committed, 50,000 learners participated, and over 50,000 bags of clothing were collected with a value of over 200 million rand.
I want to thank all the parents, all the school kids for giving with such generosity.
Kanaas, ek wil net vir jou baie dankie sê vir jou bydrae as 'n pa en ook as 'n Bloubol in hierdie projek.
Dankie aan al die skoolhoofde en die leerlinge. Skole soos hierdie wat sakke gebring het, wat omgee en 'n verskil wil maak in hierdie omgewing.
On behalf of Blue Bulls, we want to say, well done and thank you.
Thank you for all the participating learners in Pretoria for taking part in this project and giving generously.